Welcome in a new lecture of the lectures of Coptic language. In today's lecture, we are going to talk about the comparison. In Coptic language, we have a number of words used for comparison. We say a to say as, mfrtn or mfrtn. For hos, we use it as similar to or as. We have here some examples. Shashobi a o shin. She is as a tree. Eri tekeshimi eri mefriti in ovo in aloli. She eri is tekure shimi woman air becomes mefriti as in the comparison. Here we mefriti in we used it to say as. Ovo in aloli it means a vine or a tree of grapes. Moshi hos hanshiri enti bioini means walk as hos. Hanshiri means sons into bioini of the light. We use a hoti when we say more than. We don't have less than, so we can say richer than. We say a hoti, or we say poorer than. We say a hoti also. So it's an increase in a thing. Something is having a more degree of the thing than the other. So you say better or richer, wealthier, all is having a degree of wealth more or poverty more than. And we use a hoti before nouns. We use a hoti ente or a hoti a for verbs, hoti ero before pronouns. So the words we use here: a hoti, a, para, hoti ente, hoti a hoti ero, in who o, to say more than. Example: ik eracht a o bash, a hoti o kyon. You will wash, I will be whiter than the snow. As we are comparing here with words which is kyon, which means snow, we use a hoti and the word after it. If saji hoti fa'avil talks better than the talk of Abel, so we used hoti. Osavi and o is the most wide. In o, when we say the utmost of or the most or better than. Malon af osh ishibimka ilaus intif hoti intif if proceed. He preferred to suffer with the view of God than he would enjoy the sin. So here the verb after it, the pronoun, so hoti intif. Another example with a pronoun. So we say anok hui hero. I am more than you. Can you also in hoti say between things or a comparison the greatest among sin. For the superlative used imashu or huo. So we can say Wanishti in Rashi in imasho. It means greatest in very joy, and then the joy, greatest joy. Or Osavi in O, the most wise. You can find today's lecture on the CSA channel on the YouTube, and you can find it in archive.org in Arabic and English, and you can find the slides in PowerPoint. Thanks, chatting a very until seeing you next lesson.